absolutely brilliant to be at the Tarleton International Raceway here today with the Sons of Thunder. We're really proud as Ford Motor Company South Africa to be here today to participate with all the amazing Mustang customers and their ponies. We're really looking forward to a fantastic day. I think we're going to be moving out from here to the SWAT Corps Air Force Base, which is going to be an absolutely beautiful display. So to Sons of Thunder and to all the promoters that have put this event together, a huge vote from Ford Motor Company South Africa. We're really proud to partner with you. We're looking forward to a fantastic day on this beautiful day of April. 62 years in the making and 62 years to go. Here's to Mustang and all the ponies that are on display today. Welcome to Stang Stampede.